All right, so this is some haul stuff that I got. These are all birthday gifts that I received. And yes, my birthday was in September, but I didn't get around to collecting this all into a video, and so I thought I would just give you guys like a little sneak peek into the stuff I got. And this is so cute. Like seriously, Lawn Fawn does like the cutest things for your birthday. I did get the I did make my birthday order in September before they ended the promo that they were having for like a freebie with $60 off, and I was able to get my birthday freebie, which you just saw, and then I also got 15% off my order, I think, for making it with my birthday. So I felt like I did really good. I was super stoked. And truth be told, even though it's December now, I still haven't even used some of these things. I did use those cross stitch layered dies. I love those, but I have not used the reveal wheel yet. I cannot wait to use it with the kitty cat stamp. This one definitely have used. Love these. Love, love, love. And the happy birthday die. I've not used that either. One of my friends, Kite, Kite Crafts, sorry, it's late right now when I'm recording this voiceover. She sent me a bunch of those die cuts, like hot foiled and all sorts of things a few years ago. And I still have a couple of them left, so I'm excited to be able to make my own now. And the grassy border die. I think I've actually used that one in a card. And super cute. Love it. And then I always love that they throw in a couple of pieces, 6x6 pieces of cardstock, because I don't really buy 6x6 packs of cardstock, so it's fun to get some creative ones. And then this was my birthday order slash gift from Simon Says Stamp. Kate has been using Stardust pens in some of her videos, and so I was like, how do I not have any of those yet? So I ordered those, and then that kitty cat border die. And this was the freebie. For some reason, I imagined this being bigger, but it's cute and I like it. Yeah, I definitely think I'll use it. But I, for some reason, didn't look at the size before I said yes, I would get it. And I imagined it being bigger. But it's cool, I like it. All right, last but not least, Ink Road stamps. And if you're a fan of Ink Road stamps, you will know that very recently the owner went on a hiatus, and so the company is no longer shipping out orders, which is sad. But I'm glad I got this order before that happened, because these are cute. But there are still, of course, a few things that she had created that were on my wish list that I'm bummed I won't be able to get now. I love this starry border. I have used this in a die, or I mean in a card. Sorry, like I said, y'all, I'm tired. Crystal ball, love it. I'm gonna try to incorporate the crystal ball with the kitty cat and the reveal wheel die. We'll see how that goes. So this is the very last of the things that I received for my birthday as gifts. Spellbinders, hot foil in black and white, and these sentiments. I'm super excited about these. These they all have the dies to cut them out, which is super awesome because you can either do them directly onto the card front or you can cut them out, and that's super cool. And the very last thing that I'm super excited about and I wanted to talk to you guys about today is the Crafty Advent Calendar. And if you don't already know, I have done a Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series for the last 2 years. Um, this is the first year I got it as a birthday gift, so I'm super excited that I will have this to make my content with. And I also did a couple things like from, you know, setting myself up for success is I already prepped a folder for the dies. And I don't know if this will be enough to fit all the dies in it, but at least it'll give me a head start. And, I put 2 magnet sheets so I can do the dies on the front and the back. And then I did an envelope for stamps. Last year I did have 2 envelopes for dies, but I'm running low on the magnet sheets, so I'm gonna have to order some more. And also this. These are tiny post-it notes. They're like flag post-it notes. I'm gonna write the day on here that the die is from or whatever, just so I can keep it straight while I'm filming and doing all the videos that I'm gonna be releasing daily. Because I remember the last 2 years that was a struggle to remember which day each item came from. So hopefully these tips for success will help me stay on track and get this done without a major headache because, producing and releasing a video every single day can be a struggle. So I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible for myself. And I'm super excited to open this up and show you guys all what I get on the 1st of December. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys again soon. And I'm sure that I will add a little clip of Kitty Cat here at the end because we all love to see clips of Kitty Cat. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.